Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the shed. I'm Lonnie.
Hey, good morning. I'm Candace.
There you are. I was wondering where you were. The shed's so big.
Yeah, I was down on the east wing.
Oh, okay. Is that the direction that is? We have a compass.
No,
I think.
Let me see if I can get this right. That would be north. That's the north wing, and this is the south wing.
Oh, okay. We do have a compass here if you ever get lost. If you get lost over here on this side, there is a compass you can take out if you can get it open.
Cool.
So, I wanted to mention at the beginning of this video that a couple of people actually had talked about in the comments about Regional A going away, and it is supposedly going away. Last day to use Regional A shipping is January 22nd. So, which kind of sucks.
So I wonder what's going to happen with listings that already have that on there. Like, is eBay going to do anything about it, or are they just leaving it up to the sellers to go in and change their listing?
Can you search your active listings by the shipping method?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
I mean, that would stink to have to go in and just look at every listing and see.
Yeah, how's that gonna work?
Yeah.
How's that? Hey, eBay, how's that gonna work?
eBay, help us out. What can we do?
What do we do now?
We don't have time to go through each and every listing.
We don't have that many that are like that, but there's enough to where the ones that are like that something needs to happen.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, I don't know. What is gonna happen with that? Huh.
Maybe it'll just all automatically switch over to priority.
Yeah, but what about the people that do flat rate or something? I don't know. We need to
We'll see if we can figure it out. If anybody has any ideas.
Yeah,
or
anybody
talk to eBay or.
Yeah, how's that gonna work, y'all? Anybody know? But it is Tuesday today. Tomorrow's garbage day. That's how we know.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna get some listings done, orders packed, and then we are going out later today to pick up some items I found on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, Candace is that's like one of your little pastimes, huh?
Yeah, usually like middle of the day and then late at night I just look. I mean, it's so hard to navigate Marketplace. It's hit or miss whether you get to see something, like if somebody put something up, it's hit or miss if it's going to come through your feed. And I've tried doing like saved keywords, and I don't get notifications when this stuff goes up for sale. So I don't know if I'm doing something wrong or what. But yeah, we're going to be going this afternoon to pick that up, and we'll show you when we get back.
Yeah, hopefully we don't come back and say, oh well, wah somebody else bought it or what. But supposedly we have a deal to go buy this stuff.
Oh yeah, we did.
And we have a time and all that.
And a time set up. So yeah.
And it's something we're very familiar with. Y'all try and guess what it is we're buying. It's something we've sold a good bit here.
Yeah.
So,
especially in the last year.
Yeah. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and pull orders. I think we've got like 14 things.
3 box knives going out.
Yeah, I printed out 3 box knife labels for Candace. Okay. And yeah, let me go pull orders while Candace gets those ready. First up is on CC7. We bought a little Ork canister vacuum that sold for $50, and then these 2 parts were in the box with it. Candace looked them up, and what? So funny.
I thought you were saying orc. We bought
orc?
a little orc.
Oh no, you can't. I don't think.
What is that, Lord of the Rings?
I don't think you can buy orcs. That's inhumane.
I was like, what's he talking
Orek. Orek. And these were in there too. So we bought the box for $5, sold the vacuum for $50, and then we sold these for $29.99 plus shipping on top. On 9 Delta, we sold another one of these webcams. We started with 4. Now we have 1 left, and we sold 3. Each and every one of these we've sold have all said no invoice or packing slip. Every single one. So
they're going overseas.
All 3 got drop shipped on us.
Yeah.
And I'm fine with that because we've sold $90 worth of cams so far, before fees, of course, and we paid $24 for all 4. 9 Charlie. We sold these coin? No, not coins. They're coasters. That's right. I remember these. We paid $5 for them.
Statesville.
Yeah.
In Mississippi.
Mississippi.
We went garage sale on.
That's right. I remember that.
Vacation.
Oh, this has been a while.
Yeah.
Probably not the best of buys. We paid $5 for it. Sold it for $15 plus shipping on top. Glad it sold though. And on 2 Charlie, we sold another one of these. We went to our storage and discovered two Super NESs just sitting there, no hookups or anything. So I'm like, we ought to just go ahead and list those as is, like we did the other one. This one was in like really clean condition. It doesn't have any discoloration or anything, and it sold for $44.99 plus shipping on top, as is condition. So hopefully it works for them. Honestly, I hope it does work, but if it doesn't, then we don't want it back. In the cube, we sold a camera. I think a disposable type camera. Well, we're starting to get a few spots open in the cube, Candace.
I know.
That's pretty good. Oh no, it's not disposable. This is actually a camera. Okay.
I don't ever put anything in there because I can't reach.
Oh, that's my little spot then, because you can't reach it.
That's your little hidey hole.
It is. Yeah, this camera sold for $12.59 plus shipping on top. I thought it was disposable when I first saw it. Digimon drawer. Move this stuff out the way. Digimon drawer. We sold D1. This Digimon right here with the a piece of the card or whatever. This guy sold for $22.99 plus ship. And 2 Charlie again. I think we just went there, right? Maybe not. 2 Charlie, we sold this guy. This is a K2SO, I think it was. That sold for $19.99 plus ship. This is a Japanese prize of some sort.
I guess maybe in a claw machine or something.
Yeah,
like
some
that.
kind of. Yeah, they have a lot of like arcade prize type machines over there. But this thing is really cool. It is actually very creepy looking. The photo was pretty good. I liked it. All right, I went ahead and pulled these 4 Marvel cards here because they're all in the same order. Total for these, and they're all the same series too, as you can see on the back. Total for these was $27 plus shipping on top, and they paid the $4. Well, they paid $1.05 for each card to get shipped, and in this case, since I'm gonna just ship them first class package, there's no refund or anything like that because it's going to be about $4 to ship them. On 10 Bravo, we sold some Mickey ears. These right here with the that's Cinderella shoe, right?
Yep.
This
Cinderella.
Cinderella. This sold for $17.99 plus shipping on top. And under here, these are steady. They're moving at a, they're not flying out of here, but they're moving at an acceptable pace. I'm not like, what, we're selling these bags, 1 or 2 a week?
I'm waiting for some crafter to come in and try to make, and not try, but make a deal for the rest of them, you know?
Yeah.
Like they want to make a quilt or something.
Yeah, I mean, I would do that. Like, we're not going to go, we won't give them much of a discount though. We're not making a ton of profit on those.
Yeah.
I mean, they're okay, but yeah. Okay, moving on now. 10 Echo, we sold a fox. This guy right here. What does a fox say? Heidi, 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 ho! Remember that stupid song?
Yeah. The video was even crazier.
Elvis? It's like YLVIS,
Yeah.
Elvis or something. That song was everything.
It was huge.
For like 7 days. And then nobody ever heard about it again. Candace doing her members
I'm not
only.
far back enough. Hold on.
Okay.
I forgot. I have to get way back here.
We were talking about it. We want to buy a mannequin.
Yep.
We need to buy us a
I'm
mannequin.
gonna buy a mannequin.
Yeah. I mean, like, I love it. And maybe a mannequin, what I was thinking, a mannequin with that backdrop thing, except wider.
Yeah.
A good bit wider.
And just stand the mannequin up on a bench.
Yeah, we're gonna make some changes one of these days.
Changes.
You don't even like David Bowie. I don't like him much either, and nothing against him. I mean,
There's a couple of his songs I like, but I wouldn't say I like him.
Yeah, no. That Rebel song's cool.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't really like any of his other stuff.
And
honestly.
how about Labyrinth? I mean, what's not to like about that? That was a weird.
How much time you got? One Charlie, we sold this girl right here. Sold old Princess Leia, Organa.
We just saw one last week, huh?
No, I think, we've actually been selling quite a few of them lately. So that sold for $14.99 plus shipping on top. I think that might have been the last one we had. 2 Delta, we sold that Hess truck that we bought. I was kind of worried it was going to be like a bad buy. It wasn't bad though. I mean, paid $5 and got $20 plus shipping on top. All right, last order is for these 2 cards, Punisher and Ghost Rider. Pretty cool looking cards. They're both from the same set. Those sold for a total of $11 plus eBay standard envelope shipping on top. Let me get these packed, and then I guess next time I come back on camera, we'll probably be showing y'all the Facebook Marketplace pickup we're getting. Okay, we ran out, did some errands. We actually picked up our unsold garage sale stuff so we can take it to Goodwill tomorrow, most of it. We still have, the one thing we didn't sell at our garage sale over the weekend, the friggin' dry boxes.
Yeah, these things. We sold a few. But man, we had them super cheap, and we were like, make offer for all, and no bites.
Yeah, we had them priced at $2 or make offer.
It just blows my mind because down here, like hunting and fishing is just such a huge part of the not community, was
culture.
Yeah, culture. And so I was like, surely they'll sell at the garage sale. Nope.
Oh well.
So,
I guess
anybody really into geocaching, we can hook you up.
We're gonna, you know what? We're gonna make lots out of them now. I think.
Relist them, yeah.
Relist them, maybe however many will fit to a medium flat rate, and sell them like that or whatever. Just move them.
Yep. So we picked that up, and we met for our Facebook Marketplace buy, and
this is all you, Candace. Candace
I
did
am
this.
like astounded. I'm tickled pink. I'm almost speechless, believe it or not. So you want to go ahead and pan over and show them what we got? I got all this for $125.
And what is it?
This is Fontanini.
Fontanini.
Now the listing showed like the buildings, the bigger stuff. And then, so I messaged her, and she said, "Yeah, and I have a few figures I didn't have pictures. I didn't put in the pictures either." I'm like, "Awesome!" I was expecting just to get that, and we show up, and it's all of this for $125. So I'm stoked. I'm excited. Most of them have their boxes.
We even have a Fontanini book over there. It says Nativity Stories featuring the art of Fontanini.
Oh, this is Department 56 or something. Well,
okay.
Yeah, so that was thrown in there.
What a deal!
Yeah.
How many pieces we got here?
I didn't even count. Let's see.
5, 8. No, good.
I'll say 39 because I think that actually goes with him.
Okay, so 39 pieces.
39 to 40 pieces, yeah.
So he paid about $3, three and change per piece.
Yeah.
Now these are, if y'all saw where we got some Fontanini at a garage sale recently, it's the same company, but those are the larger, 8-inch or something, 10-inch.
So I think they're 7-inch. Well,
and they're rubbery.
Yeah.
These are these are like a resin.
Yeah.
So they are breakable.
Yeah.
Some amount. So
like this one has like a hand number on it
Let me
or
see.
something.
Judah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, Candace killed it on this buy. I couldn't believe.
It was so weird because I had searched Fontanini and I looked through the stuff, and then didn't find anything I was interested in, like it was all out of town or whatever. And so then I'm just scrolling through Marketplace and this pops up. That's what it's saying. Facebook, their stuff is weird. Like, why didn't this pop up whenever I searched the word Fontanini? Because she had it in her title. It's just crazy. So, you know, like, I think this is definitely a bigger one. So we do have some bigger pieces, Lonnie, but she's bigger.
Is it rubber?
Feels like it, yeah.
Oh, it is. That's a rubbery one.
So
okay, so that might be a better one.
We've got a mix of things, yeah.
That's a better one there, probably.
Yeah. And this is the same thing here.
Okay,
We
good.
have at least 2 of those.
And I remember selling these in the past.
We did sell him before, yeah.
So, awesome.
Yeah.
This is exciting. We're going to get these listed.
We're going to make sure we get these listed right away because people are pulling out their Christmas decorations right now. And they might be like, hey, I'm missing my Leora. I better go buy one off of eBay.
Hey, look, there's old Shed Flips has one, and look, they have they have other ones too. Look, we don't have that one either. Look, we'll get that one and this one and that one.
Yep.
That's what we want to happen. So we're gonna get on that. We're gonna go ahead and get started. But this will probably be the rest of the day, and then
tomorrow.
First half at least. Maybe it might be tomorrow too. Might be the whole thing.
Yep.
But we'll track it and we'll see how much in listings we have out of $125 and buy. So good job, Candace. You killed it again on your local buying.
Yep.
So that's going to be it for this one. Thanks a bunch for watching, y'all, and we will see y'all again very soon. Bye.
Bye.